Hi everyone, you are welcome to my YouTube channel where we will be discussing about physics. As we all know, physics is the study of matter and energy and the relationship between them. Matter, energy. You must be wondering how the whole of physics is just about these two concepts. Matter, as we have learned from elementary school, is anything that has mass, weight and occupies space, while energy is the ability and capacity to do work. The whole of physics ranging from Newton's laws of motion, dynamics and kinematics, which describes the motions of bodies when a particular amount of force is applied, how they move and why they move the way they do. Thermodynamics, which is the physics of heat. Electromagnetism, which tries to describe the relationship between electricity and magnetism. Well, electromagnetism basically has to do with electrons messing around. Gravity, telling us that no matter how ugly you are in this world, you are still attractive. Quantum mechanics, physics of the small stuffs, which is the physics of the smallest particles that could ever exist. There we will explore things like photoelectric effect, wave-particle duality, Heisenberg uncertainty principle, quantum entanglement, etc. Relativistic physics, physics of the big stuffs, which tells us that no matter how fast you are, you can never be faster than light, and that gravity warps space-time. There are also other things like black hole, string theory, the hypothetical wormhole and white hole, and many more. These and many more are what we are going to be looking into as we progress. Stay tuned for our subsequent videos. Please like and subscribe.